peeps, you know, so Kelly the 200 today, isn't it? But you know, say red rice day, Sunday, isn't it? So you know, so you have to keep up your low Kelly the people. You see Papa there over here go and do the coconut. You know, say oxtail and French fried chicken, isn't it, peeps? And some Irish see me outside. And see some fruits there, see me, isn't it, peeps? So that I go in the kitchen, so, plus some steam. Cabbage, isn't it, peeps? Vegetable, isn't it, peeps? Yeah, man, so just stay up and watch what I'm going. Right now, I'm going to sit down and ask you, isn't it, peeps? I'm going to let that go on, peeps.
Put them in there, so papi. Yeah, man, people, papi, sort out the coconut, you see it? Yeah, because you don't know. You see today, don't know papi and the whole works and his sister, them two sister. See two sister them there. Daniel, a be a brother and sister there, so you know people. So them I deal with the thing for Kelly today. Because Kelly not 200 today, you know, so them get up. And then stripes, so then go do them thing today, yeah? So you don't know. See the other dads here, the cousin, Rico Dan. See in paper. Yeah, so that over there, so you try to get the oh, that are the meat pot. What go on in there, so that oxtail. I know hog meat in a paper, oxtail, you see it? That go on over there, so alright, the fire right, yes, so paper. You know, say, the porridge fire that, you see me? Yeah. So, right away, Papi sort out the coconut to make some banana porridge to the people. You see me? Banana porridge today. Yeah, what them have here, so people, them have banana, them have coconut, and them have tin milk, vanilla, cinnamon leaf. The porridge must nice. Me go want some sugar today, so fruits me can go and eat meantime. Come here the video, man. How you mean? Table look nice, people. Watch what I go on. Everything in a full colors, people. You see it? What you mean? So, Papi, what kind of juice today?
Carrot juice, man.
Where carrot there? Carrot and what? Ginger?
Everything clean up and everything.
See that paper? Papi start out in thing from morning, so you know them out and play with the kitchen paper, not true? Kelly not 100. Go and big up Kelly still not people, because I don't know, you know. Remember, you know, Kelly TV, you know, likes and subscribe, you know, and share, you know, tell a friend and friend, tell a friend, you see me? Yeah, man, you know what I mean? Yeah, so, you don't know. What go on over here, so, Dav? Well, meet over here, so. Make it people them see what go on, man. People them love see what go on, you know, man. See me?
Yeah, man, people.
Yeah, man, people, so. Should have you start out the oxtail there. No? Papi, what go on? What up the coconut, them not start blend them out. So what go on, people? Yeah. Oxtail, I deal with them out, people. You see? Yeah, so. While I stay so book, what you deal with the coconut now? It's my people. Yeah, yeah. Make the coconut porridge. As me say people, yeah, everything there. Full house there. No jokes. You know? Yeah man, so I hate that you go on. Out. Show them a view. Nice view there, no people, you know? Nice view, people. Down in the beach there. Man, people, coconut they go and blend out, you know. But they go and cut up the rest of coconut and they go and blend them out, you know. Yeah. Now we are going to stir up the meat. Oxtail, looking good though. You mean, Dav? Yeah man, people, so remember, you know, big up the big lady, you know, man. Kelly TV, you know, people, don't forget, you know, subscribe and share, you know, tell a friend and a friend, tell a friend, don't make the thing happen, man, you know. Yeah. Wrote them there cook today Sunday, as they say, red rice today. A roaster. You know? Yeah, man. Now,
I want people say banana them done blend. I want people say banana done peel so I blend. Try go blend out here now peeps. With the coconut water peeps.
yeah, man, peeps. So, see pot set on you now. Yeah, for porridge, coconut porridge. Banana porridge with coconut. Yeah, man, see Dav, you did with it. What this again, Dav?
Oxtail.
Oxtail, yeah, peeps. Dav, you did with the oxtail, as me say. That's how the thing come down, yeah, man. Big and serious, man. So, see, chin over here, so turn off back chin. Come on, peeps. So, banana that you blend out the now, chin, you blend out the banana with the coconut water, you know. Alright. Video. Thing. Yeah, man, people. So, see, banana done blend now, so chin go through in the pot now, you know. Yeah. Stir it, papi. Yeah, man, people. Yeah, man, people. Fuck, you stir it, papi.
Yeah.
By spoon.
Fuck, I used to
By spoon, papi.
See it down over there, sir.
See what I go on, people. Fuck, man, you use. See, sister go for his spoon, then, now, people. See, sister go for his spoon. Like a two rat in a one wall. See what I go on, people. Yeah, man. That looking good, people, you know. That is the banana porridge, people. Yeah, man, that you go on, people. You see me? See that go and kick back over there, so. And Papi, you go on easy till the next rounds again, people.
Alright, please, so put in some cinnamon leaf and Papi go grate and nutmeg in it. Remember, say, a banana porridge you look for, so stay tuned for the video. Jimmy.
So I go on, peeps. So watch what I go on now. She go put in the cinnamon leaf, you know, and Papi go grate the nutmeg in it, you know. See it, people? Just stay tuned and watch what I go on, people, man. You know?
Yes, spoon. Found the nutmeg.
So I go on, people. Porridge look nice and you know done it. Banana porridge with coconut juice, cinnamon leaf and nutmeg in it. Wow, go on. So I go on. Yeah, man, people, that you go on, you know, you see it? Yeah.
That's why I know great. I don't know.
Papi dropping nutmeg in the pot, people. You see what I go on? Get one different nutmeg, the Papi, man. Get a different nutmeg, man. Now that, man, get a different nutmeg. You see what I go on, people? Banana porridge, you know. You know? Then you know if you do them thing, you know, people, because them mother chef, you know, man. You see me, so? You don't know. Right, you know. Then you make porridge to them mother, and plus then you cook dinner. You know, Papi come like your hunger budness, man. Everything you drop. So you see what I go on, people? Eh? Yeah, man.
Hey, man, peeps. Chin go through any. Vanilla in there right now.
Yeah, man, peace. So that you go on and see it. Yeah. Yeah, man, porridge look nice, don't peeps. Alright, chin, I throw no more in that good. Done, she want done in it, you know, people.
Let me tell you it up.
So I go on, people. How porridge look, people. So that people.
Yes, very good,
So
guys.
that people. I call that the real banana porridge with coconut juice. Yeah, man, people, that you go on. Yeah, man, people, just stay tuned and watch what I go on, you know, man. You see me? Stay tuned and watch what I go on, people. That you deal with it. Yeah man people, so porridge come off now, you know. Yeah, so chin go sweet me now people. You see me? You see me people? Yeah man Papi, I eat that. Yeah, so then you sweet me porridge now people, you know. Half high milk night chin. Yeah. Papi, you go on like people drink sweets, and people not drink sweets, no man, yo. See that paper? Smell that paper. You know, no can't smell it, you know. You know what I mean? It's that paper. And people, so chicken patty hot, you know, paper. I've got to put in a pepper, you know. You know, the chicken pot. You know, pepper and garlic in the chicken pot. You know, the pot hot, see chicken them the paper. So I'm going to the pot over there, so I'll go on hot paper. I'm gonna make it go on somewhere, you know. Yeah. Oxtail pot over there, so fire over there, so for the peas, you know. Peas fire this paper. Meanwhile, the coconut you blend out, the salt out paper. You see me? Coconut you go and blend out, you know. So you go and blend out the coconut paper. You know what I mean? Yeah. Just stay tuned people and watch what I go on.
I know what's I did the French fried chicken them and all. Every pigs. Yeah man, that as well man.
One people, so that we put in a chicken them, you know. A lot, you know, people, you see me? Yeah man. And chicken is best. When that you fry chicken paper, don't know. Not even KFC no bad so people. I mean, just stay tuned people and watch what I go on, man. No? Yeah man people, see that we deal with the peas you know. You know? Pressure the peas you know. Yeah man. See big lady you know people. Kelly Brown.
Yeah man, peeps, don't know this is Kelly. Yeah man. That one Papi they do the cooking today no peeps, yeah man.
Chin.
And chin for peeps.
Sister and brother you do the pot today, you know?
Yeah man.
So that you go on paper, see peas pot there. Yeah. Oxtail pot there.
Papi don't do that.
Fried chicken pot there. Yeah man. Cindy I go and take out the porridge and our paper, you see me? Look at that paper. Banana porridge that in a paper. Yeah, Cindy I give Kelly TV some you know for drink, you know people. Yeah. Yeah man. Cover him up now, Cindy. Yeah. Yeah man people, that you go on. You know? Yeah. How it tastes, Kelly?
Yes, good man.
Real people, that you go on. So stay tuned and watch what you go on. That you go and deal with the cook, the peas you know to put in. You know? I say Kelly, I can't wait for drink some you know, Kelly.
Yeah man, it tastes good man.
Lone coconut and banana make that in a cinnamon leaf and nutmeg and what you can call it vanilla. That you go on, you know. Stay tuned people and watch what I go on. See sunset there now people. And a beautiful sunset people. See that people? Yeah man, see peas set on you know people. Coconut water peas set on in that you know say that go bad. See it people? Yeah, Kelly sent for more porridge, you know, people, for sure. Say porridge, yes, I won, you know. Yeah, man, the porridge, you drink real good, people, man. That you go on, people. You see me? Yeah.
Hey man, peeps. So may I get the juice strain, peep. This I first strain, people. Yeah, peeps. Some carrot juice, carrot with ginger. You know, so I'm not play with my juice, you know, peeps. Oh boy, peeps. Yeah, peeps. Second strain. Yeah, juice. Yeah, man, peeps, you do your full. Just go get one next one.
Daniel and Dusty. Yeah, man, peeps. And the hair start cut up some seasoning to the rice and cheese.
Yeah, man, peeps, I know what I'm saying. I get in inside coconut water. You set on the peas, that's my peeps. So they'll stay up and watch what go on. Any. Oh. How about the garden this year?
Okay.
Yeah, man, peeps, I know some I get in some season there, but they do peeps. They'll stay up and watch what go on as usual. That's my peeps. Remember if you don't make it TV, I watch me, you know, peeps. I'm doing Kelly channel, you know, I don't know if you watch the TV, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, they'll stay up and watch what go on. Out.
Two different type of oxtail, you know. Some cook and some not cook. Yeah, man, peeps, so that's going for the oxtail for peeps. So we just continue to stay up and watch where they go on. Any? Yeah, man, people come here, get us some more chicken again. Yeah, man, peeps, it's so lovely the chicken them are. Look at that, peeps. Look at that brown, nice color. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, peeps, and as you can see, that over there, so I get the rice. Peep. The man peeps, and the back there, get the cabbage cut off to deal with the vegetable. The man peeps, I deal with some steamed vegetable alongside. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, peeps, right now. I get in the season and I oxtail, but I don't peeps. Yeah, man, peeps, see that? I get this spoon to stir it and all peeps. Yeah, man, that's a go on. So peeps, just stay up and watch what I go on. Any?
The man peeps, in a set on the vegetable. That is it. So get the cover to the chin. The man peeps, as you can see, everything already in the peeps. You already put in the natural seasoning them and everything in the peeps. So you know, just continue to stay and watch what they go on. Anyway, just video.
Like you that you do.
Yeah, man, peeps. So I take out the last batch of chicken people. Yeah, man, peeps. Chicken done frying out people. I'm gonna go get on the vegetable right away. Alright, peeps. So Papi gonna take off the pot now, so I can get on the vegetable right away, peeps. So we just stay up and watch what they go on. Any? Yeah, man, peeps. As you can see, still not done cook peeps. I don't know why they've never pressured the oxtail people. Yeah, man. Instead of no pressure, it can take all long to cook people. But anyway, peeps, it's soon done cooking now. Anyway, peeps. So we just continue, just stay up and watch how they go on. So we go get on the vegetable pot. Right? Why you do it try like that?
Yeah, man, peeps. Sharing time now.
Hold on.
Yeah, chef, everybody up here. Yeah, taxi, recon, everybody. Alright, people, stay tuned and watch what I go on. Oh, that. Wagwan daddy say hi to the camera. Yo, daddy, they not do nothing, man. One chicken, people, look how pretty. Chicken nice, no people. That is the KFC in the look so gold color chicken them here, people. Gold. Yeah man people, so remember you know, like, subscribe and share and comments. Tell a friend and a friend, tell a friend. You know. Just put it down there, man. Make the church and put them over.
Yes, baby. Yes. Yes. Yes, baby. Yes.
Yeah man people, man. Stay tuned and watch what go on, man, you know. Remember people, Kelly TV, you know. Not even KFC, you know, but stick fork in them, no Daniel. Let's put them down and stick fork in them, man.
Yes.
Papa, Papa,
Get the drinks, Papi.
Papi, Papi.
Come, Kelly.
Yeah man people, so I go on.
Thank you.
Food ready. Chicken them look like a goal. Know what I mean? Drinks to this, so. Know what I mean? Come now, Rico, no come in, no come take phone no taxi, come take up phone no man. Papi, Camilo, no take up phone no. Everybody go and go take up for them. Yeah, Daniel, you know you're one turn up. You know, Rico done. Taxi and Papi done, the whole works. What you mean? Yeah man. Everybody take up them food, enjoy it and you know what I mean, people watch and see what go on. This is a fun, I hear chicken like that. This is a fun, people. I just be a chicken leg in me eating up, people. So if you have a chicken leg, yeah man. be a chicken leg in it, people. Mm-hmm. Drink your drinks, man. Yeah, man, people, I hate this, you know. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Dav, me see a deal with it. Shabby. Eh?
Yeah, man, food people. Food bad as always. Upstairs soft and nice peeps.
What go on, Dav?
Man, food tough man, babe.
Mm-hmm. What you say, Chin?
Food tough man.
A toughy tough? What tough? Me tough or what? Which one? What tough, funny? You say no cook, no soft, no nice.
Cook good man.
Okay. Yeah, man, see that's them over there, so you know, people. You deal with them thing. And I dark, then gone people like them afraid that camera down, people. But you know, go and big up on yourself and enjoy it, man. What you say, how your food go on with? How you mean? What you say, Tom?
Yeah man, it's bad.
What you say, Daddy, yo? Yo, sir. So what you are going on? Don't talk, Kelly.
Yeah, man, peeps. So, catching up on another adventure, you know, peeps. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, peeps. Any.
Yeah, that people, so what we gonna do now? Take it to the sky, yeah? Well, I view that people down in a city, that might be a city, you know?